Hey everyone, just want to make a quick video on how you can set up an LLC in Alaska. I use a service called Busy. It's pretty simple and easy to use. I'll have a link in the description down below if you want to go ahead and follow along. But we're going to walk through step by step on how to set up an LLC in the state of Alaska so that way we can get our business up and running. So first we're going to go to the Busy homepage, and this is going to give us the option to enter in some information here. So for the entity, we're going to select LLC, and for the state, we're going to select Alaska, and then click on where it says Start My Business. Now, Busy offers 3 different types of plans. They offer a basic plan, which is free plus the state fee. You could also go with the standard $199 or the premium $299. I usually just go with the standard $199 since it includes your EIN, includes your operating agreement. It does the filing of articles of organizations and also gives you a free first year registered agent. So I'm going to go ahead and select the standard plan and then click on where it says get started. So for the company information, we're going to need to enter in the LLC name. So you can just enter in the business name of your business, and then you're going to need to choose a designator. So this is going to be attached at the end of your LLC. So you can choose from just the standard LLC. You can also go with L.L.C. You can also do the limited liability company, but we're just going to go with the standard LLC. It doesn't matter. It's up to you which one you want to pick. And then I'm going to click on where it says next. Next, you're going to need to enter in your business purpose. So I'm going to do online software tutorials because that's what my business is. And then you're going to need to enter in the industry. So once everything looks correct, you can go ahead and click on where it says next. Next, it's going to ask you for the state filing time. So the typical state filing time in Alaska is about 3 weeks. So you can just choose the 3-week option, which is free. They also offer a 2 business day filing time as well if you want to pay an additional $50. I'm just going to go with the 3 weeks filing time and click on where it says next. Next, you're going to need to enter in a contact person. This is who Busy is going to contact about anything regarding your LLC. So I'm just going to enter in my details here and then click on where it says next. Next is going to ask if you want to use their professional business address or if you just want to use your own address for your business. I'm just going to click on where it says no, I'd like to use my own address. And I'm going to go ahead and add the address of my business and then click on where it says next. Next, they're going to offer you some premium service packages. I'm just going to click on where it says no thanks. And then you're going to need to enter in the number of members of your LLC. So for me, it's just me. So I'm just going to enter in 1 and select individual, enter in my information, and then click on where it says next. And this next part is pretty important. So this is going to be your registered agent. And this is where I'd like to use Busy as my registered agent because they handle a lot of the complex stuff that I would otherwise have to handle on my own. Next, we're going to need to set up our EIN. So I'm going to go ahead and enter in the information I need to enter in order to get an EIN and click on where it says next. Next, they're going to offer you a business banking account. I'm just going to click no, not at this time, and then click on where it says next. And they're also going to offer you a tax strategy / free consultation. Again, I'm just going to click not interested at this time and click on where it says next. For the business's license and permits, I'm just going to select the no thanks, I'll do it myself, and click on where it says next. And lastly, you're going to need to enter in your billing information so that way they can actually process the LLC for you. Once you enter in all your billing information correctly, you can go to where it says complete and pay, and they will start to process your LLC for you. So that's how you can set up an LLC in the state of Alaska. If this video helped you guys out, please leave a like. That's going to do it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope this helped you out.